So let's say you're taking your photos and you don't like how they're coming out. So instead of saying, I don't like how my photos are coming out, let's get more specific. Let's dig deeper. Okay, so why aren't your photos coming out? Oh, I don't like the lighting. Like, it doesn't look right. Okay, good. Let's focus on the lighting. And then I'd say, why don't you like the lighting? Well, it's too dark. Perfect. It's too dark. Okay, that gives us some data to work with, right? Having some context as to why it's not working specifically, such as the lighting is too dark, is better than saying, I just don't like how my photos are coming out. And I want you to be more observant. I want you to ask yourself more questions. Start going a little bit deeper about why the photo isn't coming out the way you want. You can say like, oh, I don't like the props. Okay, why don't you like the props? Is there like a disconnect on your product? Like, it doesn't make sense? Does it feel random? Those types of things. And the more you can get specific, the more you can start finding the right solutions on what you need to do to get a better photo. And the beauty of this is that when you start doing this, you start to get information about what you should be doing, right? And that's why taking bad product photos isn't a bad thing. It's there to give you data and information on what you need to do to get a better photo. It's the same thing as if you went and tried on sweaters and you said, oh, well, I don't like how this sweater looks. Okay, why? Well, it doesn't fit right. Okay, why? Oh, it's too small. It fits snug and it's kind of short on me. Okay, good. That is more helpful than saying, I don't like the sweater, right? Because that data will help you understand. Maybe you need to find sweaters that are up a size and that are a bit longer so that you spend less time just trying on random sweaters, and instead you have this data of trying to go up a size and finding longer sweaters. And it helps eliminate a bunch of sweaters that are not going to work for you, right? It's the same thing with taking product photos. Having the specific information on what isn't working in your photo is going to help you spend less time wasted on, setups or props or whatever, than quickly going to what you know is going to work better. So think like a photographer.